Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a crucial topic for your health: nutrient deficiencies. Even with a balanced diet, our bodies might lack key nutrients, showing up as sneaky symptoms. In this video, we'll uncover 10 common signs that your body might need more nutrients. We'll break down each sign, explain what's missing, and discuss how to address these deficiencies to get you back on track. We've all had days when we wake up feeling like we need more sleep. Your alarm goes off, and you just can't muster the energy to get out of bed. Persistent tiredness could be a sign of lacking essential nutrients. It's about a deep, unshakable fatigue that affects your daily life. Iron deficiency is a major culprit behind fatigue. Iron is crucial for carrying oxygen throughout your body. Without enough iron, your cells can't function at their best. Consult with a healthcare provider for proper diagnosis and treatment. B vitamins, particularly B12, play a vital role in energy production. A deficiency in B12 can lead to anemia, causing fatigue. Addressing nutrient deficiencies can make a significant difference in your energy levels. Other deficiencies include vitamin D, magnesium, and potassium. A balanced diet can help ensure you're getting the nutrients you need. If you're constantly feeling drained, consider getting your nutrient levels checked. Sometimes a simple blood test can reveal deficiencies. Listening to your body is key. Chronic fatigue could be your body's way of telling you it needs a nutritional boost. Consult with a healthcare provider to discuss your symptoms and explore potential solutions. Proper nutrition is a cornerstone of good health and well-being. Let's talk about the health of your hair and nails, which are often indicators of your overall well-being. They can signal nutrient deficiencies that might be affecting your body in more ways than you realize. Dry, brittle hair or weak peeling nails could mean your body is lacking certain essential nutrients. These symptoms are not just cosmetic concerns, but can be signs of deeper health issues. One of the most common culprits behind brittle hair and nails is a deficiency in biotin, also known as vitamin B7. Biotin is crucial for the production of keratin, the primary building block of hair, nails, and even skin. Without enough biotin, your body struggles to maintain the strength and integrity of these structures. Another key nutrient is iron. Iron deficiency can lead to hair loss and brittle nails, as iron is essential for the production of hemoglobin, which carries oxygen to your cells, including those that promote healthy hair and nail growth. Other nutrients to consider include zinc and essential fatty acids. Zinc plays a vital role in cell growth and repair, while essential fatty acids help maintain the natural oil barrier of your hair and nails, keeping them hydrated and strong. By ensuring you get enough of these nutrients through a balanced diet or supplements, you can help keep your hair and nails strong and healthy. Always consult with a healthcare provider to tailor the best plan for your needs. Frequent or recurring mouth ulcers can be a sign of an underlying nutrient deficiency. These small, painful sores can be more than just a minor annoyance. They might be your body's way of signaling that something is off balance internally. B vitamins, particularly B12, folate, B9, and riboflavin, B2, are commonly linked to mouth ulcers. These essential nutrients are vital for maintaining the health of your mucous membranes, which line your mouth and other parts of your body. These vitamins play a crucial role in cell growth and repair. When your body lacks these nutrients, the cells in your mouth may not regenerate as they should, leading to the development of ulcers. Iron deficiency can also manifest as mouth ulcers. Iron is essential for the production of hemoglobin, which carries oxygen in your blood. Without enough iron, the tissues in your mouth may not receive enough oxygen, making them more susceptible to ulcers. This lack of oxygen can slow down the healing process and make existing ulcers more painful. If you're prone to mouth ulcers, pay attention to your diet and consider foods rich in B vitamins and iron. Incorporating a variety of nutrient-dense foods can help ensure you're getting the necessary vitamins and minerals to keep your mouth healthy. If the problem persists, consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian. They can help identify any underlying deficiencies and recommend appropriate supplements or dietary changes to address the issue. Taking proactive steps can lead to a healthier mouth and overall well-being. Have you noticed difficulty seeing in low light? This issue, known as night blindness, can be an early sign of vitamin A deficiency. Vitamin A is critical for vision, particularly in dim light. It's converted into retinol, essential for the function of light-sensing cells in your eyes. Low vitamin A levels can make it hard for your eyes to adjust to changes in light. Consider vitamin A deficiency if you're experiencing night blindness, dry eyes, or frequent infections. Dealing with an itchy, flaky scalp? Dandruff can sometimes be a sign of nutrient deficiencies. Biotin is often linked to dandruff. A deficiency can lead to dry, flaky skin, including on your scalp. Zinc deficiency can impair the skin's ability to renew itself, leading to dryness and flaking. Dandruff can also be a sign of a deficiency in omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are essential for maintaining the skin's moisture barrier and preventing dryness. Restless leg syndrome, RLS, causes uncomfortable sensations in the legs and an urge to move them. Iron deficiency is a significant contributing factor to RLS. Iron plays a crucial role in dopamine production, which helps regulate muscle movement. Low iron levels can affect dopamine production, contributing to RLS symptoms. If you're struggling with RLS, talk to your doctor about getting your iron levels checked. Bleeding gums can be a sign of an underlying health issue, including nutrient deficiencies. Vitamin C deficiency is commonly associated with bleeding gums. Vitamin C is crucial for collagen production, which helps hold your tissues together. Low vitamin C levels can make your gums weak, inflamed, and prone to bleeding. This condition, known as scurvy, is serious but preventable with adequate vitamin C intake. If your gums bleed easily, consider incorporating more vitamin C-rich foods into your diet. Hair loss can be caused by various factors, including nutrient deficiencies. Iron is essential for delivering oxygen to hair follicles, and a deficiency can lead to hair thinning and loss. Biotin deficiency can lead to hair breakage, thinning, and loss. Other nutrients linked to hair loss include zinc, vitamin D, and protein. If you're experiencing significant hair loss, consult with a healthcare professional. Determine if nutrient deficiencies might be playing a role. Dry, flaky skin can be caused by a lack of essential fatty acids. Omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids are crucial for maintaining the skin's moisture barrier. Incorporating more fatty acids into your diet can help improve your skin's moisture levels and reduce dryness. Your immune system protects you from harmful pathogens. When weakened, you become more susceptible to infections. Nutrient deficiencies can compromise your immune system. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that supports immune function. Zinc plays a role in the development and function of immune cells. Vitamin D helps regulate immune responses. Ensure you're getting adequate amounts of these nutrients to support your immune system. So there you have it. 10 common signs that your body might need more nutrients. Your body is constantly communicating with you through these signs. By making necessary dietary changes, you can give your body the nutrients it needs. Small changes can make a world of difference. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more informative videos on health and wellness.